All that you need to know about IIT exam. I'm sure you have a lot of questions and wondering when to apply for G, when to give the G exam, how many papers are there in the exam, what to study for the exam, am I eligible for the G exam, how much should I pay if I have to write the exam, and lots of questions. In this video, we'll try to answer most of your questions. This video is mainly designed for King Universe Matriculation Higher Secondary School students, but we understand there might be a lot of children out there who might be interested in this type of information. Here we are presenting this type of information to a larger audience through social media. G. Joint Entrance Examination. An entrance exam for IITs, NITs, ISERs, and ISC. G basically has two levels, G Mains and G Advanced. G Mains has two papers, paper 1 for engineering aspirants, paper 2 for architecture aspirants. G Advanced also has two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. These two papers are compulsory for any student who is interested in any engineering program from any of the IITs. Let's analyze things in detail. G Mains, as previously said, has two papers, but let's restrict our discussion only to paper 1 as far as this video is concerned. What is the frequency of the exam? How often you can write the exam? You can write the exam twice a year, either in January or in April, or both in January and April. You can write the exam either in Hindi or in English. You should have a minimum qualification of class 12 pass with a minimum of 75%. The question paper comprises of 75 questions, with 25 questions from physics, 25 from chemistry, 25 from mathematics. If we have to break down the 25 questions from each subject, it consists of 20 multiple choice questions and 5 numerical answer questions. Duration of the exam is 3 hours. How is the marking scheme going to be? You will be rewarded with +4 for any correct answer, -1 for any wrong answer as far as multiple choice questions are concerned. For numerical answer questions, there are no negative markings. What to study for the exam? The syllabus includes class 11 and 12 physics, chemistry, and mathematics. G Advanced has two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. Both are compulsory papers. Duration of the exam is 3 hours each. You can write the exam either in Hindi or in English. Any student who gets a rank of 2,50,000 or less from G Mains is eligible to write G Advanced. The mode of exam is online. The syllabus includes NCERT 11 and 12. In addition to that, one can expect application-oriented questions from physics, chemistry, and mathematics. Examination pattern keeps changing every year, but we'll tell you what is the most possible expected type of question. You can expect multiple choice questions with single or multiple answers. You can expect integer answer questions. You can expect matrix match questions. You can expect passage comprehension or match the following questions. How much should I pay to write the exam? The fee depends on if you're an Indian national or a foreign national. If you're an Indian national and a female candidate, you'll have to pay 1,400 Indian rupee. If you're an Indian national and belong to SC, ST or a person with disability category, you have to pay 1,400 Indian rupee. If it does not belong to any of the previously set categories, you have to pay 2,800 Indian rupees. If you're a foreign national and from one of the SAARC countries, you have to pay $75. If you're a foreign national and not from any of the SAARC countries, you have to pay $150. We have to talk about seat allotment. These details are based on the statistic available till year. Over 10 lakh students write G Mains. Only 2,50,000 students write G Advanced. If we take into account seats from all the IITs, it is around 13,500 seats. So, if we have to say, any student who gets a rank of less than or equal to 13,500 will be eligible to get a seat in IIT. If a student is interested in any of the science programs, they will be rewarded with an Inspire Fellowship if their rank is less than or equal to 10,000. What are the books that I should be studying for G? We have listed a few books for physics, chemistry, and mathematics in the description. You can find them. Important dates keep changing every year. So instead of listing out for the particular year, we thought we could tell you how to find it out from the internet. So open your favorite browser and start typing IIT G. You will find a website called gadvance.ac.in. Click on that. This is the official website of GAdvance. We also listed the official website in the description. You may click it or copy it and paste it in your favorite browser. We are at the official website of GAdvanced. We can find multiple tabs like Home, Important Dates, Brochure, Institutes. Let's click on Important Dates. Yeah, this website will tell you what is the date for G mains, when will they declare the results for G mains, when to give G advanced, when will they declare the results, if you're an architecture aspirant, when you have to take the test, when is the seat allotment process going to start, and when it's going to end, and everything. Also, there you can find a lot of quick links there. You can find the syllabus, past question papers, and frequently asked questions, which will solve most of your doubts. And if you want to analyze things in detail, you can click on brochure. The brochures are available in both Hindi and English. It's a long 82-page brochure. Things are given pretty detailed here. What are the academic programs? How are the seats reserved? What happens if you're a foreign national? Details of the examination, fee, most ranking list, most of it. You can read the brochure in case if you have more doubts and want to have a detailed perspective of things. Yeah, I think that's much of it. Thank you.